Okay, so hello everyone. Today we will be solving one of the question from database section of LeetCode. So question is a second highest salary, and this question is rated as a medium difficulty level. So in order to proceed with this question, I will be using MySQL syntax. So in the question, one table employee is given, and it has two columns, ID and salary, and both the column have data type as an integer, and there are two examples given. So in the first example, consider this salary column. So what will be the output? The output will be 200. Why? Because if we sort this column in decreasing order, so 300 will be the at the first place, so 300 will be the first highest salary. After that 200 will be the second highest salary, and this 100 will be the third highest salary. And consider this second example where the second highest salary not exist. So why not exist? Because this 100 is the first highest salary, and after that there is no row, so second highest salary will not exist, and in that case we have to return null as answer. So for better understanding, let us consider these two examples. So tell me, what will be the output in this case? So output will not be 100. Why? Because 100 is a still first highest salary. It is at the second row, but this 100 is the first highest salary. So in this case, we have to return null. So we can see that we have to consider the distinct salary. So here in this case, if we apply distinct salary, so from these two row it will consider only one row, so count of distinct salary will be 1. So for case 1, if there is no second highest salary exist, so what we can do to check this condition, we will select, first of all we will select the distinct salary, and after that we will apply this count aggregation function. So if count of distinct salary is 1, in that case we will return as a null answer. And here is the second example in which the 200 is the answer. So what we can do, same as here, we will consider distinct salary. So this 300, out of this 300, only one time this 300 will be considered. So 200, after that 300, and 100 will be the output of this line. So select distinct salary will results into 200, 300, 100. And what we can do, we can we can sort this salary column in decreasing order. So 300 will be the will be at the first level, 200 at the second row, and at the third row 100 will be there. So 300, 200 and 100. So we can do like order by salary, and if we specify DESC means it will sort in decreasing order. Now our work is very simple. We have to extract this 200 means second row from this table. So for here consider this example. So suppose this table is given. So there is a concept of offset and limit is there in SQL. So if we apply offset as a 3, so it will not consider as a this first 3 rows. So it will start considering from 4th row, and limit as a 5. So from 4th row consider only 5 columns. So offset as a 3 means start considering from 4th row, and limit as a 5. So from 4th row consider only 5 rows. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This red box will be the output. So first 3 columns will be discarded due to this offset, and this last column will be discarded due to this limit condition. So what we can do here is we have to only print output as a 200, so we can provide offset as a 1. So what happened, it will discard this 300, means it will start considering from 200, and after that we can apply limit as a 1 because we have to return this second highest salary. So offset as a 1 means it will start considering from here, and limit as a 1 means it will consider only one row, so this row will be as a output, and this 300 and 100 will be discarded. So here it is, that limit and offset. So for final answer we have to combine these two cases. So we can use a case syntax of an SQL. So whenever this condition is a true, then it will return as a null. So this is the first case I have written down in first condition, and if this condition is not true, then it will consider this case. So first of all we will select the distinct salaries like this. After that we will apply ordered by, and we will set limit as a 1 and offset as a 1. So distinct salary, after that ordered by, and apply limit and offset as a 1 from this employee table, and we have to output it as a second highest salary, so as second highest salary. So let us write this query in editor. So here it is. If we run it, so it will passes the given test cases, and on submit, yeah, so it is passing all the test cases. So by this way, with the help of this limit and offset, we can proceed with these questions. Thank you.